I missed the protest.
Yeah.
I'm a social activist. I consider myself a social activist, and I really like to be a voice for people that can't be heard. Everyone that's sick and dying in the hospital, they can't be heard. So people like me have to speak for them.
We're the only industrialized nation. We're the only, industrialized democratic nation that does not have health care for all its people. And I think it's a disgrace, and I think that it's a real testimony to corporate interests and corporate desires that we don't have health care for all people.
We should care. I mean, there's some sense of empathy there. I don't think anyone here likes to hear that 45,000 people died just because they couldn't afford something. I don't think any of us like to hear that. And we live in a nation with a pretty strong sense of justice. And what kind of justice is that? To say that because you were down on your luck, because you got cancer, and you've had it for the past 10 years, you've been fighting it for 10 years, who's to say that because your bank account is so low, you just can't, you deserve to die? I mean, I don't think any of us have that sort of an idea of justice.
We see a bill that comes out of the Senate Finance Committee and it has no public option in it. And the bill that came through Congress does have the public option. We're obviously in support of it. We need to see a change in the way that the United States does health care. Both Steve Israel and Tim Bishop, which is, local Suffolk County congressional representatives, are in support of it. And that's great, but we need to show that support. We need to show them that, we support them because they support the public option.
But you